Police are seeking information after €100,000 in damage was caused at a primary school in Roodt-sur-Syre. Vandals broke into the building over the Easter weekend, destroying classrooms and equipment. Hello, I'm May for RTL Today and RTL Today Radio, and here are the top 5 news stories we'd like to tell you about at the end of this week. Emaischen draws large crowds as Luxembourg City Tourism Office records record visitor numbers. The traditional market returned to Feshmarkt on Easter Monday, drawing large crowds for its 197th edition. A family of 5 has been evicted from social housing in Luxembourg. The family with 3 children was forced to give up their accommodation after failing to meet the requirements of a support programme run by the Foundation for Access to Housing. The UN rights chief condemns the scale of killings after Israeli strikes on Lebanon as the death toll rises. Volker Turk condemned the attacks on civilians and infrastructure, urging de-escalation. As the US-Iran ceasefire holds, its repercussions remain uncertain. The weekly recap is out every Friday. You can check it out on rtltoday.lu.